Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at the Husqvarna Z560LS zero-turn mower. This mower does come with a 60-inch 10-gauge cutting deck that is fabricated. There are Greaseable cast aluminum spindles. This mower has a removable floor panel for access to your cutting deck, a high back suspension seat with armrest. There are heavy duty 13-inch front tires. This mower does have the rollover protection system, as well as 24-inch heavy-duty back tires. This mower does come with a 38.5 horsepower Kawasaki EFI engine, as well as Hydro Gear CT5400 transmissions. There is the controls with the ignition, throttle, fuel gauge. This mower has a fuel capacity of 12 gallons. There is a rubber chute. This mower also has a magnetic tapered pen cutting height adjustment with cutting heights between 1 inch and 5 inches. Once again, this is the Husqvarna Z560LS zero-turn mower. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.